In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sum function in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to quickly add up a list of numbers, like expenses, scores, or inventory totals, this is the fastest and most reliable way to do it. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to get a total that updates automatically whenever your data changes. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Make sure you're looking at the sheet and the section where your numbers live. It helps to glance at the column letters and row numbers so you know exactly which cells you're working with. Next, click the cell where you want the total to appear. This is the destination cell, the place that will display the result. People often put it directly below the list of numbers or to the right of them, so it's easy to see. Choosing a blank cell ensures you won't overwrite any existing data. Now type HSUM to begin the formula. Every formula in Google Sheets starts with an equals sign, and sum is the function that tells Sheets to add things up. After typing the opening parenthesis, you're ready to tell Sheets which cells to add. Highlight the range of cells you want to sum. You can do this by clicking the first cell in your list and dragging to the last one. For example, if your numbers run from A2 down to A10, you'll see A2, A10 appear inside the parentheses. If you prefer, you can type the range manually instead of dragging. The colon between A2 and A10 simply means everything from the start to the end of this range. Close the parentheses and press Enter. Your formula will look like this: SUM, A2, A10. As soon as you press Enter, the total will appear in the cell you selected, while the formula itself shows in the formula bar above the sheet. That's it. The sum of your selected range appears instantly. A great bonus is that this total updates automatically. If you change a number in the range, the result recalculates right away. If you need to include more than one range, you can separate ranges with commas inside the same sum function, but the basic method remains the same. If something doesn't look right, double-check that your range references are correct, your numbers are actually numbers, and your parentheses are properly closed. You can always click the result cell to view and edit the formula. And that's how to use sum in Google Sheets. Quick, accurate, and dynamic. And